Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hima Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a Gujarati special sweet recipe which is made with broken wheat or Dalia, and this is usually made for special occasions and festivals. We're going to make this delicious lapsi. So let's get started and check it out. The first step is to cook the broken wheat, that is the Dalia. To the pressure cooker I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of ghee. After adding the ghee, I've taken 1 cup of Dalia, that's 250 ml cup measurement. So we need to roast this for about 5 minutes on medium flame. So after 5 minutes, you can see there's a nice aroma that's coming, and also the color's changed a little bit. At this point, you can bring the flame to a low, and now I'm going to add water. So for 1 cup of Dalia, I'm adding 3 cups of water. Just mix everything well. Close the pressure cooker, place the weight and pressure cook for about 3 whistles on medium flame. So you can see the Dalia, that is the broken wheat, is cooked beautifully. Look at that, it's so nice and fluffy. Transfer this to a bowl and keep it aside. Let's make the jaggery syrup. To a saucepan, I'm adding 1 250 ml cup of powdered jaggery. To this add 1 cup of water. This is a 250 ml cup measurement, so it's a 1:1 ratio. Once the jaggery is completely dissolved, turn off the stove and keep this aside. Take a nice white pan or a kadai, whichever suits you. To this I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of ghee. First I'm going to roast the nuts. Add a few cashew nuts. Next, add some thinly sliced almonds. Add a few chopped pistachios. These are the unsalted pistachios. First I'm going to roast the nuts. So once the nuts have turned to a light golden color, now I'm going to add the raisins. Once the raisins and the nuts are roasted, remove from the pan and keep this aside. To a nice white pan, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now that all the other elements are ready, we can start preparing the lapsi. Keeping the flame on low, transfer the cooked Dalia to the pan. Strain the melted jaggery into the pan. Increase the flame to a medium and cook the Dalia with the jaggery syrup. So the Dalia is going to gradually absorb all that excess moisture, and it's going to thicken up. So you can adjust the sweetness according to your taste. You can see the colors gradually changing. At this point I'm going to add the ghee. This is about 1/4 cup of ghee. I'm adding all of that. Give that a quick mix. You can see how instantly the ghee is absorbed. When you're making these sweets, it's nice to add that little extra ghee. It makes the dish all the more tastier. Next, add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix that in. Finally, add all the roasted nuts and raisins and gently mix everything together. Wow, just look at the lapsi. It's come together so beautifully. The simple and tasty lapsi is ready. You can enjoy this nice and hot or at room temperature. This quantity will serve up to 5 to 6 people. So as you can see, we've made this delicious lapsi, and I can't wait to try it. It's nice and hot. So there you go. Yummy. Yummy. Fantastic. Let me finish eating. The flavors are just spot on. It's such a nice, wholesome, sweet recipe that you can make not only for festivals but any occasion. This is something that I really enjoyed. Make sure to follow all the steps to get it perfectly. So do give it a try and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section, and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.